you will receive the notes, classwork notes. For in these notes, you will get all the study material. Chapter number 2, unit and measurement. What is unit? What is fundamental units? What is base unit? Supplementary units, derived units, system of units, the proper SI unit, and the prefix, multiple and submultiple, 10 power 1 deca, 10 power minus 1 DC, the system, CGS system, FES, MKS, and some other units also, 1 Fermi, 1 micron, 1 millimeter, some bigger units, astronomical unit, light year. This is unit of mass, gram, centigram, milligram, microgram, unit of time, and temperature, current, luminous intensity, mole. So what is radian? Some special units, X unit, 1 tar, 1 atmosphere, and the dimension formula for some important physical quantity at their SI units. So this one already we completed, but again I will explain. Okay, for the new students purpose. Okay, so next one, error, mean absolute error, relative error, percentage error, the error in sum, combination of error, grouping of error, both are also same only. Error in difference, product, division, power, and relevant problem also. Root it is the C here, P is equal to A cube P square, root of C D. Root means what? That is a 1 by 2. So we tried now 13%. Yesterday I given one homework for you during class time itself. And this is for recap. And in these notes, for short answer, 1 more question, 2 more question, 3 more questions, 5 more questions. Purpose you can use this PDF. Everything there in only one PDF, you can go through all the pages. Listen, now we are preparing for the board exam and the competitive exam also. After the year, they will conduct the national level test. So in this purpose, you want to know about all the areas. So we are preparing for competitive exam as well as board exam. So this is for NCERT corner. Multiple choice question. And this is one more notes. The objective physics for NEET. Okay, So yesterday class, we completed the significant figures and a rule for determining the number of significant figures. Okay, next one, the significant figures in algebraic operation. So algebraic operation means addition and subtraction. So how to add for the point value? Listen, 5.28 it is. So remainder 3.2601. So point, all the decimal is one side. So 6, 1, 0, 8, 6, 14, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, 4, 1, 5, and a dot 5, 3, 8. So already know very well. So how to add and point, same method. That is a significant figures, algebraic operation, and a multiple. See here, 1.9776 it is. So we round up, we can say 2.8, so 2.0. So next one, the order of magnitude. So order of magnitude means we can write in the power 10 power. It is the order of magnitude. 1000. So 1000 means 10 power 3. 100. 10 power 2. It is called as order of magnitude. Formula, please note it. M into 10 power n. M into 10 power n. Example 147, 1.47, 10 power 2 it is. So what is the order of magnitude? 10. It is a 2. The power value alone we want to take. The order of magnitude 2. 4.99 into 10 power 2. This is 10 power 3. This is also 3 only more. Listen, the m value greater 5. Okay, see here m value is a greater 5 means n plus 1. M value less than or equal 5 means directly you can take n. So 1.47, 4.99, it is the below, but 7.8, it is the more than 5. So more than 5 means you should add n plus 1. So 10 power 3 plus 1 means 4. Formula, to condition, and example. My voice is audible. It is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Write it fast. Okay, next. So 0.05. So 5 into 10 power minus 2. The order of magnitude 10 power minus 2 is there. The value is minus 2. 3.5 into 10 power minus 3. So minus 3 means the order of magnitude minus 3. 9.1, 10 power minus 31 it is there. It is a more than 5. So more than 5 means n plus 1 is the formula. So n value minus 31 plus 1. So finally you will get 30 minus 30. So this is very interesting one. Okay. So next one, roundup. So why we are using roundup? Because of easy to understand. 2.99999 it is there. It is difficult to remember and difficult to write in the problem. So that we round up 2.9 it is there now, more than 5. So easy to remember 3. Maximum in physics, some areas we are using for the roundup. 2 decimal, 2 or 1, maximum 2, minimum 1. 2.17 it is there. 2.2. Okay. So less than 5 it is there means no need to take it. 3.62 it is there. We should took 3.6. So no need to remember 2 value. The next one 3.68 it is there. More than 5. You should add 1. 3.7. 5.85 it is there. So 5 also no need to take. You take directly 5.8. So sometimes we should take 5 also. 5.75 it is there. 5.8 for the accuracy purpose. Take a notes. Okay, up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Shall we go for next? Ajay Krishna, Aswat, Badri, Tarun, Jivanandam, Kavin, Ruba Sri, Niranjan, Viswa, Udaya Kumar, Vikrant. Shall we go for next? Up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. So very simple, significant figures. Next one, round up. This is very important. Our old students already know very well dimension formula. So first of all, what is dimension? So before going to dimension, you want to know about physical quantity. Work, it is equal to kinetic energy. It is one proof it is there. We'll discuss after chapter number, I think so, 5. Okay. Now, what is work? Force into displacement. Kinetic energy formula of mv square. What is force? Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration into displacement 1 by 2 m v square. V means velocity, no? So velocity formula, displacement by time. Displacement by time square. And acceleration means mass velocity divided by time into displacement. S is referred displacement. 1 by 2 m into displacement by time whole square. Okay. See here, we already know that the work, it is equal to kinetic energy. The work, physical quantity, force into displacement. Force, the physical quantity, mass into acceleration. Acceleration, physical quantity, velocity divided by time. It is all, it is known as physical quantity. Okay. So in this physical quantity, now we are writing in the power of the fundamental quantities. The power to which the fundamental quantity must be raised. So what's the power for fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantity 7 it is there. That based on that 7 fundamental quantity only, we can write dimension formula. Length, mass, time, electric current. Length L, mass M, time T, electric current not for C, A. Okay, thermodynamics, temperature. That is the temperature, Kelvin, K. Luminance intensity, CD. So amount of substance, mole. So first we know very well what is dimension. Next, dimension formula. For dimension formula purpose, we'll discuss same example. Work equal to kinetic energy. Listen. M. M means mass. So mass dimension formula M only with a square bracket. Velocity. So velocity means displacement by time. Displacement by time. Already one time it is a t. Into S. 1 by 2 M d square divided by t square. Listen. No need to copy. Everyone listen. Mass M. Displacement. So displacement means it is based on measurement of length. So that you should write L. Time t square. T into t square. And S. What is S? It is also displacement. Displacement, the measurement of length. L. 1 by 2, it is a constant. No need to worry about the 1 by 2. We should take directly 1 by 2. M. Again, it is mass. Displacement. Now only I said it is a measurement of length. L square divided by t square. Just rewrite M L power 1, L power 1 it is a L power 2, T power 2 it is a, but I am writing the T power minus 2. Okay, M L square T power minus 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 M L square T power minus 2. Okay. So this is the dimension formula of work and the dimension formula of kinetic energy. 1 by 2 m L square T power minus 2. 1 by 2 is the constant. No need to worry. So m L square T power minus 2. So both are also equal. So using dimension formula, we can verify easily whether equation is correct or wrong and convert one system into another system. So next one, the relationship between the given physical quantity. 3 application also there. The 3 application is the first one. Given equation, whether it is right or wrong, check the equation. So work equal to kinetic energy. Work formula and kinetic energy dimension formula both also equal. So it is verified. In case you are getting like that, m power 1 L square T power minus 2. It is equal to m square L square T power minus 2. So now you want to say in this formula dimensionally incorrect. Physically it is correct, but dimensionally it is incorrect. Okay, now we copy this one. Wait. First dimension, next dimension formula, velocity. It is very simple. Displacement by time. So mass, there is no mass, m power 0. Displacement is a measurement of length. Time, t power minus 1. This is dimension formula. Around 200 dimension formula it is there, class 11th and 12th. So lesson by lesson, you want to read all the formulas. It is easy only. So compulsory, you need to know about all the formulas. Then only physics is comfortable and easy. Dimension formula, example. Okay. So next one, the uses of dimension formula. Consideration of physical quantity from one system of unit to another system. Formula N2 equal to N1, M1 divided by M2 whole power A, L1 divided by L2 whole power B, T1 divided by T2 whole power C. The next is checking the accuracy of a physical equation. Now we done know. This is the one example. The next one, the deduction of relation between the different physical quantity. We'll do. These two one we'll do after. Write it now. Uses of dimension equation. Otherwise, application of dimension equation. Both also same only. There's agree and joy and one more student also. Did you understand? New students.
Yes, sir.
Dimension from time.
Yes, sir.
But in these two example, we'll discuss tomorrow class, ma, because it will take more time. So now I'm taking means you feel it is difficult. This one okay. The conservation of physical quantity one system to another system and detect the relationship between the different physical quantity. We'll discuss next class. So up to that one small topic it is there. That one will finish. The variable and the constant. So physical quantity, it is classified into two categories. One is the variable, another one is the constant. So variable also classified into two, dimensional, non-dimensional. Constant, it is also classified into two. One is a dimensional, another one non-dimensional. So dimensional means it have a proper dimension formula. Velocity, m power 0, l power 1, t power minus 1. Acceleration, m power 0, l power 1, t power minus 2. but non-dimensional angle, strain, refractive index, and sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. There is no dimension formula. And refractive index, my friend. In class 10th, you learn refractive index. Nu is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. So speed, it is cancelled now. It is a ratio. So for the ratio, there is no dimension formula. In case now you are writing speed of light in vacuum, speed formula, distance by time, m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1, divided by speed of light in medium, m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. So finally, you will get m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It is called as non-dimensional formula. Dimension means acceleration. Velocity divided by time. Now only I said velocity dimension formula m0, L power 1, T power minus 1. Again, T it is there. m0, L power 1, T power minus 2. So this is the dimension formula of acceleration. Okay. Next, constant. 1 by 2. Before some I said no, see here. 1 by 2. This is constant. For the constant, there is no dimension formula. But some constant have a dimension. Universal gas constant, PV is equal to nRT. Pressure, volume, N, number of mole, R is the universal gravitational gas constant, T is the temperature. For in these R, dimension formula it is there. You know very well capital G, universal gravitational constant. In class 9th, the F equal to capital G, M1, M2 divided by R square or D square. The force is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance. That the direct proportional constant only G. For in this G dimension formula, it is there. Okay. Physical quantity classified into two: variable, constant, variable, dimensional, non-dimensional, constant, dimensional, non-dimensional, with example. Take a notes. Okay. Next topic, the principle of homogeneity. The principle of homogeneity means the LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side, it is equal to right hand side. Simple definition ma LHS equal to RHS. See here, V equal to A plus BT. That is V value equal to A. V value equal to BT. That's all. LHS is equal to RHS. In case V is equal to A plus BT plus 3, it is there. V equal to C also. LHS equivalent to the RHS. From the question, they said V is the velocity, T is the time, and AB is the constant. So A value, A is the A value, velocity, no? Velocity formula, m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1, dimension formula. Next, V equal to BT. V equal to BT. I need only the value of B. B equal to velocity divided by time. Velocity dimension formula L power 1, T power minus 1. Divided by T also T power 1. Finally, you will get B equal to L power 1, T power minus 2. So this is the formula. Please take a notes. Your NCERT book, chapter number 2, unit and measurement. Introduction part we completed. International system of unit, that is a SI system, completed. So measurement of length, measurement of mass, time, we given just the introduction part. We'll discuss further. Error, and error analysis, significant figures, dimension of physical quantity, dimension formulae, and dimensional equation, dimension analysis and its application. So almost we covered all the areas. Okay, next instrumental studies it is there, that is the length, mass, or time. So maximum we'll cover in this week. combination of error, error in difference. In this derivation, no need, formula enough. I will tell you which derivation is important, which area no need to derivation, only refer the formula. Like that, I will tell you. Derivation important means you want to follow the derivation. Maybe in question paper, it will come 5 mark question or 3 mark question. Okay. So almost we completed chapter number 2. Okay, now you are work. You read minimum 2 or 3 times in your NCERT book. If you want any notes, you can ask to me. I will share you. Maximum in this PDF, you will get all type of notes. Now I will share you. Here MCQ question also there. Practice question. Topic wise. The next year question. Previous year NEET questions. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can go. Take care.